In terms of asset technology, sometimes we talk a lot about our technology in our offices, but rather, sometimes we overlook what's actually happening in our buildings. I ran a digital master planning project where we were looking at one of our shopping centres and understanding how to really enhance this digital experience. These are some of the key takeaways from running that project that I implore everyone here to do if you haven't already. The first thing is that before you even think about AI, you've got to know what technology do you have in your building. Do you know how many sensors you have or light switches? Do you actually know what's there? Because technology used to be considered this kind of afterthought instead of this, this front runner. So set up an asset technology register because you want to know what you need to integrate with. Also, what you're paying for, that's the other thing. The second thing is in terms of tasks. Set up a pilot project. A good type of asset to use is one of your older assets, because if you can solve for an older asset and use new technology on old technology in the asset, then that means you're probably solving for a lot of things. And thirdly, again, with guidance, set up these procurement guidelines, because a lot of the time procurement guidelines are just being ignored, and what you often find is that development managers and project managers, they're just acquiring whatever they can in terms of technology because they're not being given the same kind of guidance in terms of cybersecurity, integration, naming protocols, etc., the same way that you do in the office. So you have to start thinking of buildings in the same way as you do your organizations. If you are a nerd and you like looking at big strategies, New York has an AI action plan, which is rather good. It's not a particularly huge document, but it's actually a pretty good strategy.